If you're loving your US visit and need more time, we've got the tips to extend your stay. First, make sure you're eligible. You must have entered legally on a B2 visa, haven't committed any crimes, and your current visa should still be valid. Next, apply early, at least 45 days before your stay ends. Gather these documents. Form I-539, a copy of your passport and I-94, a written statement, proof of funds, and return travel plans. Form I-539 is crucial. Fill it out with your personal info, visa status, and reasons for extending. Be honest. Then pay the $455 fee, maybe an extra $85 for biometrics. Submit your application online or by mail. Keep an eye out for a receipt notice with your case number. Processing can take months, so be patient. You might need a biometrics appointment. Don't skip it. Finally, if approved, you'll get a new I-94. If denied, leave the US promptly to avoid issues. Remember, apply early, provide strong reasons, and show ties to your home country. Happy travels.